welcome back to my channel. Into this video I'm going to be doing a simple makeup look for the very first time on camera. I get so many compliments on how I achieve my makeup look, and this is the video for you guys, so let's get started. I'm excited. As you can see, guys, I was definitely in a hurry. This video is long overdue, so I was trying to finally go ahead and film it and have it uploaded for you guys, because people keep asking me. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna film it, and I'm always busy, so I was like, okay, so I had to just get it done. So as you can see in the video, I'm moving a little faster than usual, but because I had somewhere to be and I also wanted to fulfill my promises. Alright guys, this is my everyday makeup look. I don't like too much product on my face, and I don't usually do a full face unless I have a special occasion, so that way I'm not running late to everything and everywhere that I have to be. I really hope you guys like this video. This video was long overdue, and I'm so excited that I'm finally able to take out the time to make it for you guys. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.